I made a comment that was offensive to victims, families, and I did it absolutely by accident as I was struggling with my computer. I am apologizing.
The third day of Jennifer Crumbley's trial, starting with an apology from her defense attorney for a comment she made on Friday.
Jennifer is facing involuntary manslaughter charges after her son killed 4 people at Oxford High School in November 2021. TV5's Lenita Brooks joins us live in the studio with what happened in court. Lenita?
David and Meg, day 3 of Jennifer Crumbley's trial began with an apology from her attorney, Shannon Smith, for statements she made during the trial on Friday. Friday ended on a heated note, that is, after the defense and prosecutors got into a shouting match about jokes made in the courtroom.
I am apologizing for that comment. I want to apologize to the jurors, to the audience, to all involved, and specifically to the victims and the families of the victims. I truly did not mean to say the comment I made.
That's in reference to the statement, "I'm going to kill myself," defense attorney Shannon Smith made Friday out of frustration with pieces of evidence. Following the apology, Monday's first witness, Kira Pinnick, a 27-year-old who runs and owns a horse farm and was friends with Jennifer Crumbley, began her testimony.
She was having problems with him, or he wasn't acting normal. She had called him weird before. She wanted him to do normal kid things.
Much of the morning was spent going through texts between Crumbley and Pinnick, specifically surrounding the dates leading up to and following the shooting. Pinnick suggested the defendant bring Crumbley to horse therapy after she sent her a picture of his troubling math worksheet.
My first thought is that I knew who the shooter was by the math test that was sent to me.
All right, that's a heavy thing to think. Talk to me about why that was your first thought.
It's not normal for somebody to draw these things on a test in school, or even really think about these things, especially in a school setting, but really ever.
Pinnick went on to say her conversations with Jennifer Crumbley following the shooting were just so she could gain more information, not because she was genuinely worried about her, stating that they were not close friends. Coming up at 6, we will hear from the second witness and the local attorney on his thoughts on this trial. Live in studio, Lenita Brooks, WNEM TV5.